Indian couple built a 100 crore brand by helping make saris from pineapple, jeans from banana and shirts from hemp. You see, most Indian clothes are made out of cotton, which uses a lot of water.
Or polyester, which is made from petroleum.
But they make fabric from farm waste.
Millions of tons of this is burnt every year, causing air pollution.
To solve all these problems, they came up with one solution. Hi, we are Jenny. We tell sustainable stories.
Hi, I am Shreyans,
Hi, I am Nandini.
and we are the founders of Canvalu.
They start by collecting raw materials from the farms.
Like pineapple leaves, banana stems, and oilseed stems.
As we can extract cellulose from them.
It is turned into fiber and then yarn.
We are one of the 3 companies in the entire world using this technology.
This is mixed with cotton to create sustainable fabrics.
The entire process consumes 99% less water.
And 82% less energy as compared to other fabrics.
These fabrics are anti-UV and antimicrobial.
We work with brands like Levi's, H&M, Arvind Mills, and many others to create products such as shirts, t-shirts, denims, and even carpets.
Canvalu is on a mission to reduce textile waste.
We are also working on making use of agri-residue from paddy and sugarcane.
Tag your favorite fashion brand and ask them to blend farm residue with fashion. Follow Jenny and be a part of
Generation Earth.